You're listening to Happy Hearts Hub, where stories bring dreams to life. Ollie and the Princess Portal, the Emerald Lily. The magical library glowed softly as Ollie entered, holding his hourglass tightly. Tonight, a book shimmered in green and gold, its cover swirling like rippling water. The guardian of stories appeared beside him, its voice calm and steady. This tale takes place in a bayou, where a princess seeks to restore her family's land. A dark curse has dried up the magical waters, and the only hope lies in finding the Emerald Lily. Will you help her? Ollie nodded. I'll help her break the curse. The moment he touched the glowing book, the library faded, and Ollie was swept into another adventure. Ollie landed on the edge of a misty bayou, its air filled with the soft sounds of croaking frogs and rustling leaves. The once lush waters were now shallow and still. A princess stood nearby, wearing a simple green dress with a lily embroidered on the hem. Her curly hair was tied back, and her eyes sparkled with determination. "Who are you?" she asked, surprised by his sudden arrival. "I'm Ollie, and I'm here to help," he said. "What's happened to the bayou?" "A curse has drained the magic from these waters," she explained. "Without it, our land is wilting. The only way to break the spell is to find the Emerald Lily, hidden deep in the swamp. But it's guarded by a mischievous shadow spirit." Ollie nodded firmly. "We'll find it together." They paddled through the bayou in a small wooden boat, the mist swirling around them. The stillness of the water made the journey feel eerie, but the princess hummed a soft tune to keep their spirits up. Suddenly, fireflies began to flicker in the distance, forming a glowing path. "The fireflies are guiding us," the princess said with a hopeful smile. Following the lights, they reached a moss-covered archway that marked the entrance to the deeper swamp. As they passed through, the air grew cooler, and the sound of whispering filled the air. "Stay close," Ollie said, gripping the hourglass tightly. Deeper in the swamp, they found a clearing with an old, twisted tree. At its base sat a small stone pedestal with strange markings. "This is the first trial," the princess said, examining the pedestal. Ollie noticed that one of the markings looked like a lily. "Maybe we need to press it," he suggested. The princess nodded and carefully pressed the lily symbol. The ground trembled slightly, and the markings began to glow. A soft, green light rose from the pedestal, forming into the shape of a frog. "To move forward, you must answer this riddle," the frog said, its voice smooth and steady. "What blooms in the water but never in the soil?" "A lily," the princess said confidently. The frog nodded and the light faded, revealing a path that had been hidden beneath the swamp water. They continued their journey until they reached a stretch of water covered in thick vines and moss. The princess furrowed her brow. "The Emerald Lily is close, but the shadow spirit will try to stop us." As if on cue, the water rippled and a dark figure emerged from the mist. The shadow spirit's glowing eyes locked onto them, and its voice echoed. "Turn back now or be lost in the swamp forever." "We're not afraid of you," Ollie said, holding up the hourglass. Its golden glow pushed back some of the darkness. The spirit hissed and sent a wave of shadowy tendrils toward them. The princess quickly picked up a long stick and used it to clear the vines blocking their way. "We have to keep moving," she called. Ollie held the hourglass steady, its light guiding them as they paddled through the dark waters. Finally, they reached a small, hidden glade where a single glowing flower bloomed. "The emerald lily," the princess whispered, her voice filled with awe. As she reached for the flower, the shadow spirit reappeared, its form swirling like smoke. "You cannot take what is mine," it roared. Ollie stepped forward. "This flower belongs to the bayou, not you," he said firmly. The princess held the emerald lily high, and its glow brightened, casting a warm green light over the swamp. The shadow spirit let out a final hiss before dissolving into the mist. The bayou began to stir as water flowed freely once more, bringing life back to the land. The trees stood taller, and the air filled with the cheerful chirps of birds and frogs. The princess turned to Ollie, her eyes shining with gratitude. "Thank you, Ollie. You've helped me save my home." Before Ollie could respond, the hourglass glowed, and he was gently pulled back to the magical library. The guardian of stories appeared beside him, its voice warm and kind. "Well done, Ollie. The bayou thrives, once more, because of your courage." Ollie smiled. "What's the next adventure?" The guardian's eyes sparkled. "Rest now. Many more tales await, and they'll need your heart and bravery." Ollie looked at the endless shelves, ready for his next journey. The end.